Okay, I got many messages. My friends got many messages regarding this. Yes, there is a new bike in the gang, and yes, that bike is inside the garage. I'm back after a really, really long time or a gap, or I did not edit, I did not shoot. Jo bhi hai, I'm back. And what's popping, people? Welcome back to the channel.
Welcome back.
So,
And I really thank you guys for the last vlog. That was actually a very impressive response. I didn't expect anything close to that.
So,
Did you?
No, I mean, yes. Actually, I mean, not no, but yes, I did, because people are fascinated towards this pilot thing. There are very few people like me who are not interested. I wanted to shoot a video regarding the chain clean and the chain loops. So it's going to take a lot of time because चार bike है. Yeah, let's get on with it. Paxton's battery is still not here. The bike is still dead.
Yeah, so we wanted to use this bike for our previous motorcycle ride. We went to Vikarabad, right? But the battery died. So our complete bike collection is here. So we have the Thruxton, Street Triple, Ducati, Multistrada and the Honda Africa Twin. So the entire lineup is here. First we'll just show them what's happening on cranking up the bike. So it starts, it's in neutral. That's it. The battery doesn't have enough juice to start, so there's a slight under voltage, as in it is enough to supply the instruments and all, but definitely not enough to start the battery. It is, you don't understand, or if you are not doing something like this, you have to be extremely careful when doing it, because there's so many people who have actually literally torn off their fingers. We'll show it to you what not to do, and I'll show you an example of a dry chain. The Street Triple here, if you see, you can see a little bit of rust and all. This is relatively a dry chain. If you see, there's nothing. It is just a little bit of oil. So this needs to be oiled right away. But if you see the same way, we'll show you the Ducati. We've or these Africa Twin. You see this? I do this. You have this is decently fine. So again, we're still going to lube this chain. It is recommended to lube your chain once in about 500 to 600 kilometers, or if you're not running as much, maybe once in 2 or 3 months, because
we lubed both the Ducati and the Africa Twin before going to our breakfast ride. So that is the reason why they are wet right now. I mean, the chains are wet. So jo bhi hai, we have to clean and lube them. It's a it's a time taking process. Let's directly get on with it. After the lube, we'll probably wash the bikes a bit, not deep clean and all, just wash the bikes a bit and keep them back inside. Sounds about good? Yeah. Let's go. Okay, this video is not being sponsored by Motul. We are just using their product because this is the product which found available in the nearby store. So yeah, just explain Rochi what all I'm doing.
See again guys, the first thing to do is actually clean your chain. Oh yeah, before we start that, this for some reason got knocked by somewhere in the garage. Yaar, ye nikal gaya. I need to fix this back. Isme kya hai? There's nothing.
Double-sided tape?
Double-sided tape and then stick it back. Ye nikal gaya mera reflector at the back. So
it's always recommended to put a cardboard sheet underneath the chain, because these lubes and these cleans and lubes, they might destroy the rim, but वो सब की ज़रूरत नहीं है. It's like too much. Explain what I'm doing. It smells exactly like HIT, cockroach killer. जो भी है यहाँ पर grease killer है, whatever. It smells exactly like HIT. Mom.
You've actually applied the product, just leave it for about a minute or two, and then we have to clean the chain. So we'll just fast forward and show you again what's the next process.
All the classic bikes, including the Royal Enfields, and let's say Royal Enfields and Dukes and MTs and all, MT15 and all. For Royal Enfields, the chain is on the right side of the bike. I mean, if you're sitting this way, the chain is on the right side of the bike, and for the naked bikes or any other bike, the chain is on the left side of the bike.
Comparison.
Yeah, and the reason for it, I have absolutely no idea. I guess having the chain on the right side of the bike, it is more classic, gives a more classic look. Do you have any?
I don't know. I had no idea why.
If someone knows about this, just comment down below. We will pin it to the top. Everyone will have a better knowledge about this.
So again, what Srujan has in his hand is something like a brush. This
yeah.
is used to clean the chain. It is recommended, if you don't have this, again this cleans 3 sides of the chain at the same time. If you don't have this, you can use a toothbrush as well. But never put your hand in the chain at any freaking cost. It was gonna rip your fingers off. We will finish up the rest of the bikes. I've been holding the camera. I need to help this bugger now. So वो कर लेके we'll come back in about, I guess in realistic time, about 15 minutes from now.
I will give you a live example based on the Street Triple's 34,000 kilometer ridden chain and the Ducati's 1500 kilometer Corona sorry, and the Ducati's 1500 kilometer ridden chain. From the best of my knowledge, this chain is gone because you see this, it's a bit tight. You can see it's good here, it's tight, it's firm and all. But if I roll the if you roll the tire and all, you can see not here, yeah, come somewhere here. See, the chain becomes very loose at this end. So the O-rings or something, the O-rings or the extremes are gone and somewhere in this place. Because of that, I have to change the chain. This bike is ridden 34,000 kilometers. This is expected from this, and the second possibility is, this is you see this marker, this indicates the life of the chain. At the start of the purchase, this indicator would be somewhere right here, and as it progresses,
as you tighten the chain, as life progresses, it moves back.
It moves back and all, and because of that, if this comes to an end, it means that your chain is about to die. Some portion of the chain is tight and the other portions are a bit loose. Because of that, I get uneven power spread, torque spread, jo bhi hai. I don't get proper power to the throttle. So now we have to change the chain, and we will take a bit time. I mean
because बाकी bikes है यार.
बाकी bikes भी नहीं. This can run for another 1,000 or 2,000 kilometers. It's not safe to take it on the highway, but for the city use, if you don't do snatchy throttles and all, this is pretty good for 1,000 to 2,000 kilometers. So uske baad, probably after 2 months, we will replace the chain.
Once the superficial cleaning is done, just run good clean running water ke saath, just spray
without
over
any
it.
Pressure.
Yeah.
Without any pressure.
So that will remove all the mud, whatever loose mud which is remaining. As we are doing that, we'll actually wash the entire bike. So 4 bikes hai, वापस थोड़ा time लगेगा हमको.
Okay, I got many messages. My friends got many messages regarding this. Yes, there is a new bike in the gang, and yes, that bike is inside the garage.
And yes, we have to wash it now.
Oh yeah, and yes, we have to wash it now. And no, we cannot.
And yes, we need to shut down the camera.
Okay, and no, we cannot show you the bike and to whom that bike belongs to. You have to watch.
By the way, the owner of that bike, you need to give us something special because we've got to wash your bike as well now.
So we cannot show you the bike. I'm so sorry, but for the reveal, you have to watch Sriman's and Charan's vlog. It will be live in couple of days. Till then, we cannot show you that bike. We promise them we are not going to show them in this vlog or in this channel. So, anyways, I'm sorry about that, but I'm taking that bike out and I'm going to shut off the camera right now. Sorry, I cannot show you the bike right now. Jo bhi hai in probably by the next vlog we can show you the bike, and I'm going to test drive it
extensively.
Oh yeah.
Extensively बोलो तो extensively. ठीक है, ये सब होने के बाद वो बाइक अंदर रखे, we will catch you back in
some time.
हाँ. तो सारे बाइक्स का wash is done. And even the new wala bhi khatam. As I speak, Srujan is right behind the camera, pushing it back into the garage. Yeah, where are you pushing it? Acha, we know you guys are very, 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 very smart. So bike start bhi karenge na, I'm pretty sure all of you will know which bike that is. So wo bhi nahi karne wale. We'll keep the secret as it is for a few more days. हाँ हाँ, थोड़े लोग क्या, काफ़ी लोग गैस भी किए सही से. सो थोड़े छोटे छोटे क्लूज है ये. This video will be probably up before Shriman's and Charan's. So it's a beautiful bike. I haven't ridden it yet, but Srujan has, and he says it's amazing. So just hold on for a few more days. You can see the bike in Charan's and Shriman's vlog really soon. तो सस्पेंस तो रखना बनता है भाई, क्योंकि उसमें मज़ा अलग ही है. Guys, remember another very important thing when you come to lube, don't over lube the chain, okay? And the lube doesn't need to come on the outside. You need lubing only on this surface here, the outer and the inner. So that is where you need, and I'll help Srujan in rotating the tire, and you can move your hand up.
Every bike, every chain has this marker where this is the starting and the ending point. You can
linked through that.
Yeah, so you can remember this as a bookmark or a chain mark.
Yeah, chalo.
So one round, come guma or guma. Right here. Yeah, guma. Okay, it's already dark. We're going to repeat the same thing on the remaining 3 bikes as well. So
the new bike का ज़रूरी नहीं है. It's only done about how much? 50 kilometers अभी तक? 15 सिर्फ. Okay, तो हमारे घर पे है अभी. So उसको ज़रूरी नहीं है, क्योंकि the lube which comes from the factory is a little more efficient than these which we get on aftermarket. That is a wax type, which unfortunately we don't get much in India. Wax type lubes are better, but
more expensive.
Yeah, much more expensive, and they last much longer, but you don't get it as much. New bikes सबके साथ wax based ही आता है, तो 1500 kilometers 1000 तो easy आता है वो.
It took us approximately 3 hours. The time is somewhere around 8 o'clock right now, and super humid. Okay. And halfway through the job, I realized I am doing washing, cleaning, and lubing by wearing jeans. जो भी है हमको नहाना है, and I'm
one good thing in this process. ये होने के बाद we had to anyway jumpstart the Thruxton to
because we washed it and all, right? So we just tried our luck to jumpstart it, and it worked. But still, we have to replace the battery.
Jumpstart होके we left it on for like 15-20 minutes. So the battery charge हो रहा है. It's actually starting.
Vlog will be super interesting, and until then, peace.
Time for bath.
Now we have to wash.
Love you guys.
Now we have to wash ourselves.